Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a teardrop in Affinity. So I'm going to create a new design right here and just create a new document so that we can easily get started. Now, in order to create a teardrop in Affinity, you need to use a tear tool. And to do that, go ahead and look on the left hand side and you will find a rectangular tool. Basically, when you click on this, you have different shapes. And so you want to look in the list for tear tool. Once you click on that, you can now go ahead and draw your teardrop. And as you can see right here, you can draw it to large or small, whatever it is that you want, right? So I'm going to draw, for example, that mine, just like that. Now I'm going to click the move tool and just kind of put it into the center right there. Now, once you draw this, as you can see, now it just look not like a teardrop really, but you can go ahead and you can adjust the coloring and so forth. So what you want to do is click on it, and on the left hand side, you the upper left hand side, click and stroke. Now right here, click on, for example, the solid, and you can now go ahead and just adjust the line. And as you can see right there, I adjust the line, and you can make it whole large or small or whatever it is that you want. So let's say I like it just like that. Now go ahead and click on color, for example, and you can change the color, the inner color. So here you can see, you can click on these and you can remove the inner color right there. Now, what's also cool as well, that you can go ahead and you can go ahead and click, for example, the tear tool again, and you can change the size. If you look in the middle right here, you can change the style, and look, for example, if I move this to the left, you can see that it changes like that, or it changes like that. So you can go ahead and just move it like that to make it, a little bit more stylish, right? And if you want to adjust the size again, click on, for example, the move tool, and you can adjust it, right? And you can, basically adjust it the way you want in terms of size, right? Now, let's say I want to make it, let's say, rotate it or something like that. You want to ensure that you click on the move tool, and then you can just change it the way you want, something like that, right? And adjust it. So that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and use the tear tool or create a teardrop in Affinity. Very easy and very simple. And if you want to change the color as well, you can always go ahead and change the fill color to whatever it is. So for example, here I can go ahead and I can change whatever. I can select the colors. I can change different colors. You want to ensure that you select it first and have a look at that. How cool is that? So that's how you can easily go ahead and create a teardrop in Affinity. Very easy and very simple.